Good morning, students. Welcome to today's lecture. In the last class, we discussed the following points in which we had done factorization of cubic equations using factor theorem, and we have done some identities. Now, in the last class, if you remember, the last identity, that is formula number 5, which I termed as F5, was x plus y plus z whole square, and the formula was x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now we will use that question to do the reverse process. In the last class, we learned how to expand using that formula. Today, we will learn how to factorize using that formula. We all know what is a expanded form and what is a factor form. I hope you all remember that. Okay. Now, the question is factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. First, seeing these numbers, the thing that comes to my mind is something like that formula that we did, that is formula number 5. After that thing, I have to think that in these, which term is negative, because seeing these three, we can't say which is negative. But one of them is negative, that is why we are getting negative over here. So we have to think which one is negative. Let's see. Here we have xy. Here we have xy, that is x into y, and negative sign. Here we have y into z, again negative sign. Here we have x into z, we have a plus sign. That means someone in these two is negative. If you compare these two, you will find that y is common in both of them. Y is present in both of them and they have negative sign. So it is a possibility that y is negative. Okay, and you can see here both x and z are there and we have a positive sign. Yes, there are more possibilities, like we can say x and z are negative and y is positive, but take the easy one. Okay, again I am telling, in these two numbers, if you see y is coming as common and they have negative sign, so I can think y is negative, x and z are positive. Okay, first hint I have taken from this question that this y term is actually negative. Now see how it will help us. We know the formula of plus 1, that is a plus b plus c whole square. Now you will say, sir, why you are writing a plus b plus c, why not x plus y plus z? So if you remember, in the last class I have told you, if the question variables are x, y, z, it is better to write the formula in some different variable. Why so? Because we want to avoid confusion between the question and the formula. Okay, that is why I have written the formula in terms of ABC, and the formula will become a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now what we can do is we can make this term right in this form. So we are rewriting the equation as bracket 2x whole square, because square of this is 4x square only. We can write this y as minus y whole square. I told you why it is minus y, because I have paid attention in these three, and these three told me that y is negative. That is why I have put like this, plus bracket z whole square. So we have got these three terms easily. Now don't look at here. If you have got these three terms, you can write the remaining on your own, because you know it is 2, first term 2x, second term minus y, plus 2, second term minus y, third term z, then plus 2, third term z, and first term 2x. If you solve these, you will definitely get these numbers back. Okay, so after writing this, we can compare this equation with the formula equation. So you can compare both expanded parts, and by comparison you can say it is a square, it is 2x square. That means a is equal to how much? 2x. B is equal to how much? Minus y. And C equal to how much? Z. That is why I have written like this. A is 2x, B is minus y, and C is z. So if these two parts are comparable, can't we write the factorized form as the answer? Hence, by equation 1, factorized form will be like this. Bracket 2x plus minus y plus z whole square, or 2x minus y plus z whole square, or you can write like this also, whatever you like. So again repeating what I have done, I have written the question in this form and then compared the right side of both the equations. As they became comparable, I wrote the factor form like this. I hope you got this. Formula number 6, x plus y whole cube. The formula is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y. If you want to verify this, you can verify very easily, or you can find the formula on your own. How? It is x plus y whole cube. That means it is x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. If you solve these three multiplications, you will get this only. Okay? If you want, you can try. This thing, if expanded, what will happen? We will have 3xy into x. It becomes 3x square y. We will have 3xy into y. It becomes 3xy square. So this is the main expanded formula of this equation. I have told you in the last class also, if you know the formula of positive, then you can easily solve questions with negative sign also. Okay, how? Let's see again today. Suppose a question like this comes. Oops, it is cube. Sorry, I've written 2 over here. It is 3. Now x minus y whole power 3 it is. Okay, it is not 2, it is 3. Please correct it in your copy. Now it can be written as x plus bracket minus y whole cube. Why I'm writing like this? To make it similar to this form. You can see now x and x are comparable, plus and plus are same. This y is replaced by minus y. Y is replaced by minus y. So what will we do? We will just replace y in this answer by how much? Minus y to get the new formula. So it will be x cube, same to same, plus y is replaced by minus y plus 3x square. Again y replaced by minus y plus 3x minus y square. So it becomes x cube. We know negative power 3 is negative only, minus y cube. 3x into minus y, negative will come, minus 3x square y. Here we have square on negative sign, it becomes 3xy square. So this way you can find any formula on your own and you don't actually need to learn the formula if you know the formula of positive one. Okay. Still, if you find it easy to learn, you are free to learn. Okay. Now in this we got, this is the factor form and this is the expanded form. I have told you when there are signs of positive in between, that form is known as expanded form. Now a confusion comes in this formula, that is x plus y whole cube, and this formula, that is x cube plus y cube. Many people take them as same. Do you think they are same? No, they are not same, because it is expanded form and that is factor form. Actually, the formula of this is different. X cube plus y cube, the formula is x plus y bracket close, next bracket x square minus xy plus y square. So you can compare, this is the expanded form and this is the factor form. Then x cube minus y cube, formula is x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. So you can see these two look similar, but this is expanded form, this is factor form. Similarly, x minus y whole cube is different from x cube minus y cube. Okay, I hope you got this. One more example. we all know x plus y whole square is not equal to x square plus y square. Same thing we have used here also. Okay. Now, this, I hope I told you the last only, na? This was done. Okay, it came again. Don't worry about this. Don't write again. Now, a question is there. 5p minus 3q whole cube. Just by seeing at it, I get the idea of which formula? X minus y whole cube. But suppose I am adamant that I will go with first formula only, that is x plus y whole cube. Let's see both the ways. Okay. So this is the this could be expanded by both the ways. In the first way, I can use formula x plus y cube. Sorry, x plus y whole cube. And second way, I can use x minus y whole cube. In this case, if you compare these two, what you can say is the value of x is 5p. Then there is minus sign, plus sign. Are they comparable? No. So we have to make it negative so that they can be comparable. So we will get y as minus 3q. Okay. If I take as x minus y whole cube, then they are directly comparable. So x equal to 5p, negative, negative, y equal to 3q. So you can say this is the difference. Okay. You can do directly by the formula or by this also. Okay. So we can write this question as 5p plus minus 3q whole cube. We can write like this because I want to use the first formula, that is the positive one. Okay. Now if you compare with this formula, that is x plus y whole cube, you can say x and 5p are corresponding, so x equal to 5p, plus and plus are corresponding, so it is correct, and y is corresponding to minus 3q, that is why y is minus 3q. Now the formula of x plus y whole cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. What we have to do is we have to replace x by how much? 5p, and we have to replace y by minus 3q. So it becomes 5p whole cube plus y is replaced by bracket minus 3q whole cube plus 3. X is how much? 5p square. Y is how much? Minus 3q plus 3. X is 5p. Y square is minus 3q whole square. It is not difficult. What we have done is just put the value of x and y as follows. After putting, we have to solve it. 5 cube is how much? 125, and p cube is p cube only. The first value is 125 p cube. Then we have minus 3 power 3 is minus 27 q cube. Then solving this thing, 3 3s are 9 cube of negative, so minus 9 cube into 5p whole square, so it is 25p square, plus 3 3s are 9, sorry, it is in square, na, you can't take it first. So 3 5s are 15p. 15p into minus 3 square is 9, q square is q square. Okay. Finally, the answer will be this one after final solution. I hope you understood how to expand using the formula. If you are comfortable with the negative formula, you can use that also. Okay. I've just used it to make my point clear that if I know positive formulas, I can do any question without fearing with these negatives. Okay. Now, suppose a question like this comes in front of you, that is 999 cube. Evaluate this number without any calculation, just sorry, without actual multiplication, but using identity. Very simple. If you see this 999, this can be seen as 998 plus 1. But is 998 a good number for us, or is it an easy number? No. We can see this number more close to 1000. So 1000 minus 1, I guess, would be more appropriate and easy also to solve. So we will take this number as 1000 minus 1 bracket whole cube. So How does it look to you? Yes, like the formula of x minus y whole cube or x plus bracket minus y whole cube, whichever formula you want. This time I am solving with negative 1 just to show you how to solve. If you want, you can solve like this also. I have shown here the or part. So you can write this as 1000 plus minus 1. It becomes x plus y whole square, sorry, whole cube formula. This is cube. I'm sorry for this mistake. I think Hari have done this. It is cube. Okay. So x is same as 1000, y is same as minus 1, plus and plus are comparable. So here x is 1000, y is minus 1. If you use that formula, very simple. You just put the value and you will get the answer. So this time I am going with this formula just to show how to solve. Now again compare. X 1000 are comparable. So x is how much? 1000. Negative, negative. Comparable. Therefore no issue. Y become how much? 1. Y is how much? 1. Because negative, negative same. So they are together. They are together. What is left? Y and 1. That is why y equal to 1. Now the formula of x minus y whole cube, as I have told you in the previous slide, is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Just put the values like this of x and y. By solving these, you can get this and finally this. Okay. This is not very difficult to understand. You can do it on your own. Okay. Now, factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Again, one formula can be used in two ways. First way, when it is helping you to expand. First way, a formula is helping you to expand. And second way, it is helping you to make factorized form. Okay, so both processes are possible with the help of a formula. So just seeing the question, what comes to your mind? That this form is of which formula? If I think cube is coming, then some square is coming. So I guess it is formula of x plus y cube or x minus y cube. So as all are positive, I am taking a plus b whole cube. Again, a question comes in your mind, sir, you were saying the formula is x plus y whole cube. Now why you have taken a plus b whole cube? The same reason, because question is variable x. So I have taken a as the formula variable. Okay, to make the confusion minimum. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square is the formula. I am calling it equation 1. Now I can write the given question as this. This is 8. It can be taken as 2 cube. So we can write 2x whole cube in the place of 8x cube. Isn't it correct? Yes. Similarly, 27y cube can be written as 3y whole cube. Now, after getting these two, that is a and b, don't think about these things. If you see this and try to write, it will be difficult for you. The best is just see these two, okay, and write like this, plus 3a, that is 2x square, into b. If you solve it, you will obviously get this number, plus 3, what is a? 2x, b square, b is 3y, like this. So these two terms I am not writing seeing these two, because that will be a little bit difficult for us to write like this. The best is, as soon as we have got a and b, you can write these on your own. Okay. After writing these, we can compare these two. Now if you compare a cube and 2x cube, what you can say, what is value of a? 2x. What is value of b? 3y. So we have compared both of them and we have got the values. Now we can just say by equation 1, we can find the factor form as 2x plus 3y whole cube. Very easy. So as soon as these two become comparable, writing the answer in factor form is very easy, like this. Okay. These questions are very easy if you understand how to compare. Okay. Now I've taken one question for you from exercise, that is question 4, fourth part, sorry, sixth part. Here we have to expand this thing. Now you can see there are three terms, first term, second term, third term, and there is a square. So what comes to your mind? Yes, yes, formula number 5, that is x plus y plus z whole square. I told you that day, if you know the formula of positive, you don't need to fear of anything. You can write this given question in that form only. How? Let's see. I can write 1 by 4 as this term in bracket, no issue. In place of negative, I have written positive over here, and in bracket I have written negative 1 by 2b. Any issue? No? Then plus 1 whole square. Now we are comparing with the formula of x plus y plus z whole square. So x equal to how much? 1 by 4a plus comparable. Y equal to how much? Minus 1 by 2b plus comparable. Z equal to how much? 1. So we have got the value of x, y and z. We know the formula. Formula is x square, y square, z square, 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. Now what we have to do? Just put the values and find the answer and we are happy. Okay. But while doing, be careful because it is little bit what you say having fractions and all these terms. So chances of mistakes like silly mistakes are more. Okay. So simply I have put the value of x in bracket 1 by 4a square. Don't ever forget putting bracket when you are putting a value because everything new comes in a packaging. Okay, so 1 by 4a whole square plus minus 1 by 2b whole square plus bracket 1 square. Then similarly I put these values. I will not explain again. Okay, now by solving I got this, which can be written as a square by 16 b square by 4 plus 1 and this thing. I hope you will understand this. Just pause the video and solve on your own. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.